Hey friends, welcome back to Math to Find. Have you ever wrapped a present or covered a box with paper and wondered how much paper you actually needed? Believe it or not, you were finding surface area. So what is surface area? Surface area is the total area of every face on a 3D shape. It's like adding up all the pieces of wrapping paper you would need to cover it. This rectangular prism has a length, a width, and a height, and all of its faces are rectangles. Now watch this. If we unfold the prism and flatten it out, we get a shape called a net. A net shows all the faces at once: top, bottom, front, back, and two sides. If we find the area of each face and add them together, we get the total surface area. Surface area is the sum of the areas of all its faces. It's like a puzzle. Each face is one piece, and when we add them up, we get the whole thing. Let's find the surface area of this rectangular prism. The prism has a length of 5 inches, a width of 3 inches, and a height of 6 inches. Remember, surface area is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Let's take it step by step, starting with the top and bottom. Each of those faces is a rectangle, and the formula for area is length times width. So we multiply 5 times 3 to get 15, and since there are 2 of them, we multiply by 2. That gives us 30 square inches for the top and bottom faces together. Next, the front and back faces. Each of those has a width of 3 inches and a height of 6 inches. Multiply 3 times 6 to get 18, and again there are 2 of them, so 18 times 2 is 36 square inches for the front and back. Now for the 2 side faces. Each one is 5 inches by 6 inches. Multiply 5 times 6 to get 30, and since there are 2 sides, that's 30 times 2, or 60 square inches. Now we add them up. 30 plus 36 plus 60 is 126 square inches. So the total surface area of this rectangular prism is 126 square inches. We found the area for each pair of faces and then added them together. Now let's try a triangular prism. This shape looks different because the bases are triangles, not rectangles, but the surface area process is exactly the same. Add up the area of each face. Let's start with the triangular bases. The formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So we'll multiply 1/2 times 3 times 4 to get 6. But there are 2 triangles, so we multiply by 2. That gives us 12 square meters for the bases. Now for the 3 rectangles, the front, side, and back. For the front face, multiply 3 times 6. That's 18 square meters. For the side face, multiply 6 times 4. That's 24 square meters. And for the back face, multiply 6 times 5. That's 30 square meters. Add them all together. 12 plus 18 plus 24 plus 30 is 84 square meters. So the surface area of this triangular prism is 84 square meters. Breaking it down face by face works every single time. You're doing great, but guess what? There's a shortcut. There's a formula that works for any prism. Let's break it down. The B stands for the area of the base. Every prism has 2 matching or congruent bases. That's why we have 2 times B, the area of the base. The P stands for the perimeter of the base. That's the distance all the way around one base. And the H stands for the height of the prism, the distance between the 2 parallel bases. Let's try the shortcut with the rectangular prism from earlier. We already know the length is 5 inches, the width is 3 inches, and the height of the prism is 6 inches. First we'll find B, the area of the base. The base is a rectangle, so we'll multiply length times width. 5 times 3 is 15. Next we'll find P, the perimeter of the base. The perimeter is the distance around the base. So the perimeter is 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5, or 16. And H, the height of the prism, is 6 inches. Now we just multiply and then add to solve. 2 times 15 is 30, and 16 times 6 is 96. Adding them together is 126 square inches, which gives us the same answer we found before, but way faster. Now let's use the formula for the triangular prism. The base is a triangle. To find its area, we need to use the formula 1/2 times base times height. The base of the triangle is 3 meters, and the height of the triangle is 4 meters. 3 times 4 is 12, and 1/2 of 12 is 6. Next, we need to find P, the perimeter of the triangle. Triangles have 3 sides, so we'll add together 3 plus 4 plus 5, which gives us 12. And then the H, or the height of the prism, is 6. Now we'll multiply and then add to get a surface area of 84 square meters. Same answer as before, just faster. And this formula works for any prism, like this parallelogram prism. Let's find its surface area. We'll start by finding the B, or the area of the base. Since the base is a parallelogram, we'll use the formula base times height. The base of the parallelogram is 4, and the height of the parallelogram is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Now for the P, the perimeter of the base. The side lengths of the parallelogram are 4 meters by 2.5 meters. So 4 plus 2.5 plus 4 plus 2.5 is 13. The H, or the height of the prism, is 4. Remember, the height of the prism is the distance between the two parallel bases. Again, we just multiply and then add, giving us a total surface area of 68 square meters. Awesome job today! You learned how to find surface area of prisms and how to use the shortcut formula. Ready for the next step? Check out my next video on finding surface area of cylinders. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and if you made it all the way to the end, drop a green heart in the comments so I know you're part of our Math to Find crew. Until next time, keep math awesome.